Intermittent fasting has gained popularity as a weight loss and health improvement tool in recent years. It's a pattern of eating that involves alternating between periods of fasting and periods of eating, and it's often seen as a way to boost metabolism, increase energy levels, and reduce the risk of chronic diseases. If you're new to intermittent fasting, here are a few methods to try. The 16/8 method. This is one of the most popular and straightforward forms of intermittent fasting. You simply fast for 16 hours a day and eat all your meals within an 8-hour window. For example, you might finish dinner at 7 p.m. and then not eat again until 11 a.m. the next day. The 5-2 diet. This method involves eating normally for 5 days a week and then restricting your calorie intake to 500 to 600 calories on the remaining 2 days. The Eat-Stop-Eat method. This method involves fasting for 24 hours, 1 or 2 times per week. So, for example, you would eat dinner on day 1, fast for all of day 2, and then eat again starting with breakfast on day 3. The Warrior Diet. With this method, you eat a small, plant-based meal in the evening and then fast during the day. You then have a large, nutritious meal in the evening to break the fast. It's important to note that while intermittent fasting has been shown to be safe and effective for many people, it's not right for everyone. Women who are pregnant or breastfeeding, people with a history of disordered eating, and individuals with certain medical conditions should consult a healthcare professional before trying intermittent fasting. When starting out with intermittent fasting, it's important to listen to your body and be mindful of how it's affecting you. Start slowly, and if you experience any negative side effects such as fatigue, headaches, or irritability, consider adjusting your approach or discontinuing the practice altogether. In conclusion, intermittent fasting is a flexible and customizable eating pattern that has many potential benefits for weight loss and overall health. Whether you choose the 16/8 method, the 5-2 diet, the Eat-Stop-Eat method, or the Warrior Diet, be sure to consult a healthcare professional and pay attention to your body's reactions as you go. Happy fasting! Thanks for watching Medicine Fun and Learn channel.